In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about KAL, the Kalera Public Limited Company. Before I get any further, though, you can see this is disclaimer: nothing on the channel constitutes professional or financial advice. Now with KAL, I previously had a prediction. I think I had two scenarios on the chart. Oh, I had only one. So from right here, I was basically looking for bearish moves, or I was bearish, right? Just straight up bearish. Again, nothing that I say on my videos is financial advice. This is all my opinion, and that was my opinion then. And now you can see we fell. Like the price definitely tanked for a little bit. Then it went 70% up or so, and now it's still at the relatively the same price. Like definitely are still in this supply area that we actually tapped into right now, and my prediction is still the same. Now, this is gonna be the prediction is gonna be invalid after we actually break on this. I believe is daily. Yeah, after we break this daily candle right here, we actually shift bullish on the daily, maybe even the weekly time frame, which is right here. But for right now, I'm still bearish. So this is my opinion and thought.